How is everybody today? This is Joanna, and today I'm going to share that I am going to try to apply these little lenses on my phone camera. And I was watching videos on this, and some videos recommend not to do this because of the camera clarity, but I did a video with my phone yesterday sharing my Victoria's Secret mail order. I won't be using this phone right here per se for videos again unless I just have to, because I could not figure out how to get those black sides off that I cannot stand, and I'm used to recording on this one, and as long as I hold it to its side, it does what I want. So has anyone had any trouble with their phone with the ATT outage? My phones were actually fine. I hope that lasts. But my SIM card got stuck up in this phone, y'all. Yeah, they did an eSIM on it. I didn't like that. I wanted a physical card. So the minute that they put a physical card in my phone, it worked just like my other one. Because at first I thought it was a part of the power outages or whatever the AT&T deal was, until the phone that's in my hand that I'm recording on worked. So we're going to go ahead and try to put this on. I got the colorful ones, and then I will put my case back on, and we'll see how I do. But like I said, I don't intend to use this phone for recording. I will primarily be using the one that I am holding. So let's see here. What comes in this little kit? I've been watching videos on this, and some of them show a dry cloth. So I'm guessing maybe I can use the number 2 side twice, and I see this thing right here. So we're going to try this out. We're going to see how it does. So I do know that I am to wipe the phone off first. So I'm going to put the phone down and do that, and then I will dry it, and then we will come back. So I have done the dust wipe and dried it. Now I'm assuming I need to lay this over the phone, so I'm going to try to do that really carefully. I'm going to pause again. It looks like it worked, y'all. Yeah. This right here stuck on there, and I rubbed it. I didn't know the whole thing would come out, but yes, that looks like it worked, and I like the way that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put my phone back in its case. If this comes off, I'm not going to be too worried. This was inexpensive. It was $8, and I do understand that the astronaut case that I have coming has the protectors on the lens automatically already, and some cases do. I just chose this because it was a cute little color. So again, we will see how this holds up. I pretty much keep this on the back of my phone to begin with, and I will order a screen protector in the meantime, just because y'all know I'm terrified to tear up my phone. I used to have my phone for years, and once this one in my hand dropped and cracked, and my Samsung 7 Edge, I've been very leery, because each time I was simply putting the phone in my pocket, thought that I hit my pocket, and next thing I knew, it went crashing to the ground, and it did that a few times. So this is it. If you were wondering about these lens covers, I think I'm going to like this, and like I said, I will not be using this phone to do video. I might try video from the front, of course, but as far as the back, but I will take pictures just to see what it does. And again, like I said, if this comes up, I won't be too concerned, but I primarily keep the back of this. I keep this on the back of the phone anyway. So I just wanted to share that with you. And until the next time, everyone have a fantastic evening.